Hello everyone and welcome back to another Forest Schools video. Today in this episode I'll be talking about poisonous plants and fungi in the forest. Now an obvious one is nightshade, a small shrub normally found in the southern half of the UK. It flowers from June to September with purple flowers. Now some birds can eat the berries, but it is mostly poisonous to all creatures that eat it, and it was thought that Macbeth used it to poison Duncan's troops. It is also known as the devil's plant, and that any human that eats it gets punished with abdominal pain, vomiting, blood in the urine, and even death. That's not a fun way to go. It also really dilates the pupils, so eye surgeons can use it in a very refined state for operations. This plant has oval-shaped leaves, black berries with a 5-pronged leaf that it uses to attach to the plant, and purple and green flowers. Monk's hood, or otherwise known as aconite and wolfsbane, is another deadly plant that was thought to be used to get rid of wolves. It is again found in the southern parts of the UK and all over the world. Now the main way this plant poisons you is by ingestion, but if you have a small cut or graze, it can also poison you that way. However, the symptoms are less effective. This plant is thought to have been used throughout history, and even the 4th Roman emperor's wife used it to poison him. Some common symptoms are heart rhythm changes, chest pain, abdominal pain, and death if consumed in large amounts. The reason monk's hood gets its name is from its purple, blue, or white flowers, as they seem to resemble a hood. They also grow vertically, and their leaves vary depending on the species, but they are normally lobed and not round, and they come from a single point. As a dog lover myself, here are some deadly plants that will kill your lovely dog. Number 1, surprisingly, daffodils, and tulips, and tomato plants, crocus, and as I said before in another video, rhododendron. Now I'm going to talk about some mushrooms. Now the rule of thumb is that you don't eat any mushroom or even touch it, unless you are 100% sure that it is safe. Now it is best to show that the children not to do any of this, even if you are aware that it is a safe mushroom, just in case they decide to eat one when you're not around. Starting with the most deadly, and it has the most fatalities in the world, a lovely one named death cap. This mushroom grows from August to November, and it causes liver and kidney failure, and even ingesting half a cap can kill you. This little mushroom has a green faded cap with a white stem and gills. They grow in deciduous forests or broadleaves forests, as the dead leaves are perfect for the habitat for the mushroom to grow. Another deadly mushroom is destroying angel, and apparently just a piece of this in a soup will kill anyone that eats it. It is a completely white mushroom and grows in mixed forests, but in mainly birch woodland, from July to November. This mushroom will cause stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and then the symptoms will die down again, followed by a second wave of liver failure and kidney poisoning, then death. If you come into contact with any of these plants or fungi, or eat or accidentally ingest them, please seek medical attention immediately. And even if you don't know what they are, or don't know if you have the right plant, take a sample or a photo to show the doctors. And as a reminder, if you aren't sure of the plant, just leave it alone. You don't know what it could do to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.